Well, good morning, good morning, good morning, scrappers, scrapettes, and my little scrapeteers. No, that's a wooden table. Hope everybody's good, hope everybody's okay. Oh, we gotta show some microwave. Let's grab the microwave. And we have a few things to talk about today, scrappers. Yeah. So, we'll get into that. All right. There we go. She's in. We'll cut the cord in a few. Let's move along. All right, we got ourselves a mop here. You know, me and mops, we can't stay away from each other. What do we have in the recycling? Nothing. Okay. Let's roll. Oh, and some fans and a TV that I took apart. So that's all we got on all, Betty. That's metal. Yeah, it's metal. All right, let's continue. All right, scrappers, first things first. To all the viewers, whether you are a subscriber or a non-subscriber that you view my videos, I would like to apologize, truly apologize for the last video. I let some comments get to me, and you guys can't read them because they get held for review. That's how nasty they are. But yeah, I let it get to me. I usually don't. I try not to let anything get to me, but it wears on you. Yeah, so I'd like to apologize. That's all I can say. Very, very, very nasty comments, which this is a scrapping channel. I never thought I needed a degree to scrap, but obviously there's some people that think I do. But all I can say is it's going well for me, thanks to you guys that will watch the videos. Thank you very much, and that's all we're gonna say. That's all. You know what? This is a fun scrapping channel. Let's just leave it at that. How's that? So yeah, let's continue on our merry way. Let's get it. All right, let's see if we got anything in here. Oh, got a cable. Optical wire. And this drum. Oops. Almost lost it. We saw something else in here. There you go. Some more wire. How we doing, boss man? Oh, everything's good, man.
Yes, sir.
Have a good one now. All right. Yeah.
I got a ballast. You want?
No problem. All right. He gave us some copper. There we go. Oh, wait. There's a piece there. Yep, that's it. All right, no problem. All right, we got something here at least. Yeah, that's all empty. This one is usually all cardboard. We got something here. Maybe stainless? Yeah. Stainless steel it is. Alright, let's keep on chugging. I think we got a chair here in the garbage. We do. They're not gonna recycle that. All right. Wrong place to put it. Let's go. All right, we have a stove here and a chair, so let's get it. All right, we got that some kind of organized. Let's get the stove in here. There we go. And the chair can stay there. All right, let's roll. Good morning.
Hi, how are you?
All right, everything good?
Everything's good.
No problem. Have a great day. Have a great day. I see that lady all the time. Always waving, comes outside and waves. There's plenty of good people in this world. Yes, they are. Let's go. All right, well, we had to run home and do some stuff, so might as well take the wires out of this. Two birds with one stone. That's how it is. And just like that, got a whole mess of wires. All right, looks like we got a fan here. Yes, it does. Oops, sorry, Betty. Let's pick that back up. Hot dog bun, no, hot dog container. All right, let's roll. All right, dog cage. Thank you that it's apart, because we have bad luck with all these. There we go. Okay, this one will bend in here. No, we'll bend out. Ouch. And we will put it right here right now. Great. Let's continue. All right, we got some good stuff here. We got one of those jacks. Let's see, what is this? This is metal. It is metal with plastic, but it is metal. Ooh! Should have lowered the tailgate, shouldn't I? Yes, I should have. All right. What about this one? Wow. Give me 1 minute. Let me see where I'm gonna put this. All right. Well, it's not gonna go where I want it to go. So let's just put it back here for right now. Oh. That's gonna be in the way of this jack, isn't it? Well, the jack's not that heavy. Yeah, it's not that heavy. All right, let's just move this over a little bit. See if we can put this in here. Come on. There we go. I guess it won't go. Whew. There's fine. Yes, it is for right now. Oh wait, what do we have here? There we go. Right there's fine. That's not gonna go anywhere. This is the only one that troubles me. All right, we got ourselves a chair here. Oh, metal heavy chair. Let's just put it right there for right now. Let's roll. Ourselves another chair. This one is aluminum though. We'll put it right there. Yes, we will. All right, we got some stuff here, but we got the garbage can right there. There we go. here. Come on. Oh, there he is. All right, I think we got another few chairs here. Let's roll on. All right, scrappers, we're done. Let's go to the scrapyard. We're done with this route. That's it. Nothing else. So, yeah, we'll see you at the scrapyard. We got some good stuff. For what it's worth. Yes, it is. Let's go. All right, here we are. Let's see how it is back here. All right, we'll see you in a minute. All right, we're at 4040. 4040 it is. All right, let's get Betty unloaded. You're here, huh? I hear you.
I'm here, but I don't know how good it will be.
Hey, everything will be all right, man.
It's gotta be.
Say it to yourself every day. Come on. We'll keep that. Let's get up here. Come on. we'll leave the rest. All set, boss. So we had like 550 pounds, 540 pounds, whatever it is. Yeah, about that. Kill, all right. All right, let's roll. Yeah, 40, 35, yeah, 540 pounds. 32.94. 32.94 it is. All right, well, at least we got some more gas for bedding so we can do another scrap run. And again, like I said in the beginning of the video, I would like to apologize to everybody. I shouldn't let things like that get to me, but we're all humans. It does get to us. So thank you for sticking along, riding with me right here, and we'll see you on another episode. Treasure Coast Scrapping. Let's go.